This is, by far, the most devious combination of absolutely stupid vehicles. We have the RBD-5, a vodka-fueled B-25 with 250 kg tank torpedoes haphazardly strapped to the side of it. The KV-220, a massive block of steel that is almost impenetrable to any gun it will face, except long 88s. It is a severe allergy to long 88s. And the Su-6, the plane that, somehow, does absolutely everything, and does everything well. Oh boy, this will be fun.
I'm better.
I won't lie with you, this thing is so ugly.
Hi, Pepper.
This is the KV-220,
Oh my God,
by
man.
far the strongest
Kill
KV.
yourself.
It has 100mm of armor on its front. What's that? 100mm of armor on its front? That's not that good? Well, it also has 100mm of armor on every other side of the tank. Imagine being a 75mm M4, shooting it at its front and not penetrating. Oh, alright, you can just move to the side, to the weaker armor, and then you can pin it.
Hell no.
Surprise! Yo, what's up? Poor guy. Another! And people say the rockets on this are useless. So, this is the RBD-5. What is it? What makes it so strong? Well, if you look at the side of it, you can see these absolute units of a rocket. This makes it insanely good for removing open tops, and at 5.7 you'll see a lot of M18s, which you can absolutely eviscerate with these gigantic rockets. Poor guy. I swear if I die to artillery. Bruce just zoned out over there.
Suddenly, hordes of rats burst asunder from the realm of the rats.
Top motivational pictures with deep meaning. Try not to cry. Never assume in life. Don't think that carrot big because carrot big leaf, because small leaf carrot big not leaf big size.
I literally don't hear a single tank. Now what do I do? Don't flip, don't flip, don't flip. Please don't flip. Totally planned. How did I miss both of those? How was my aim so bad? I missed both of them at like point blank range. Bye bye. I got a ping. Just why didn't I turn on silent mode on Discord? That was a direct hit? How did it do? I'm just sad now, honestly. Damn, what a stomp. What a stomp. There was an M18. I swear if if I die to artillery, I'm gonna lose it, but I can't really move from the current position I'm in. If I can hit that tree... No, how did that not take them out? Guess who's back? Oh, really? 1,000 pound bomb for an RBT-5. And then there is the SU-6. This plane, think of it like an IL-2 but better in every way. Its engine has no longer about the same power as a Lada, and also to mention, it actually has energy retention, making it a very capable dogfighter.
Leave me alone!
Go away! Why is there so many? Yeah, that's it. Oh, never mind. There's another. Damn. What? What? Nah. Nice shot. Damn. And that's it for today. Make sure to join my Discord, and I'll see you next time with an even more stupid time.